So welcome back. In connection with the previous lecture, that is about the counters, types of counters, and also we have seen MSI counter, that is IC 74163. What it is 74163? It is a 4-bit synchronous counter. 4-bit synchronous counter, right? Now suppose if you want to increase the size of the counter, many such ICs you need to connect. Okay, now let us see how to design an 8-bit counter. How to design an 8-bit counter. Okay, so in order to design for an 8-bit counter, you need to take two such 74163 ICs. Okay, so let us see their connection and how can you obtain 16-bit counter. Okay, sorry, not 16-bit counter, 8-bit counter. Okay, so these are the two ICs, IC 74163. This is IC 74163 and this is also IC 74163. You know, the counting action starts, or it shows the counting action when all of its clear input, clock input, load input, okay, of course proper clock signal, clear, load, ENP and ENT inputs. If all these four, clear, load, ENP, ENT is equal to 1, then it shows the counting action. Okay, so the counting may be assumed starting from 0. Okay, when this count becomes 15, when the count becomes 15, you know the RCO will be asserted. Okay, RCO will be asserted. Now this RCO signal is used to enable another IC, that is 74163, to enable the ENP and ENT signals, to enable the ENT and ENP signals. Okay, so that whenever the clear, load, ENP and ENT of second IC are in enable mode, that is at proper signal values, that is 0 0 on clear and load and 1 1 at ENP and ENP, the second IC also shows the counting sequence. It also shows the counting sequence. So like that, so the first 4-bit counting you can observe in first IC 74163, that is 4-bit counter. So the total 8-bit counting sequence you can observe with the help of both these IC 74163. Okay, so that is the design of 8-bit counter and that is the purpose of RCO. Okay, in order to cascade, it is very helpful, right? Now let us see how to design different mod counters using this 74163. So here is a design for the mod 10 counter. Mod 10 counter. So tell me, what is mod 10 counter? What is mod 10? Mod 10 means it shows 10 states. Mod 10 means it shows 10 states. Usually by default, mod 10 means that 10 states are 0 to 9. When the output becomes 0 or when the counter enters 9th state, automatically it goes to the 0 state. That is the mod 10 state. So let us see how to design this mod 10 counter using 74163. Okay, so you know the counting will start when clear signal is 1, load signal is 0, ENT, ENP are also 0. Okay, so initially assume all are at logic high, but the load signal, only load signal is connected to through a NAND gate. The NAND gate input bits are QD and QA. QD and QA are used as input bits for the NAND gate. Why? Because the purpose of this NAND gate connection is whenever the output become 9 binary number, automatically the NAND gate output is 0. The NAND gate output is 0, so that whenever the load input is 0, what is the action of IC 74163? Whatever the data on input lines A, B, C, D, that is loaded into the counter. Okay, so now here all A, B, C, D at the ground potential means the data is 0. Okay, that 0 is loaded into this register, right? So after 9, the next state we can observe is 0. Okay, so when output is 0, now QA is 0, QD also 0, hence the NAND gate output becomes 1. So 1 means the load input is 1, that is clear is 1, already clear is connected to power supply 5 volts, that is it is at logic 1, ENP ENT also at 5 volt supply, that is logic 1. Now because from the feedback of NAND gate the load input also 1, so it shows the counting sequence again from 0 to up to 9. So when the output becomes 9th state, so because of feedback through this NAND gate, again the state goes to the 0. So like that mod 10 counter you can design. So these are the different states here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It comes to 9, it automatically goes to 0 state. Okay. So similarly, see also how to design a a counting from, how to maintain a counting sequence 5 to 15. 5 to 15 means it is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So mod 11 counter, it is also referred as mod 11 counter, but it maintains a sequence 5 to 15. 5 to 15. So to maintain this sequence, so proper connections for this are the ABCD inputs are maintained at 5, binary equivalent to 5, that is binary equivalent to 5 means so since A is the LSB bit and D is the MSB bit, so D and B are at ground potential, those are 0 0, whereas C is 1 and A is 1. Okay, at the input the binary value is 5. Okay, 5, and connect the RCO output through a NOT gate to the load input, whereas other inputs, those are clear, ENP ENT, maintain at logical high. Okay, so whenever the output becomes 15, 111, what happens, the RCO output will be accepted, that is RCO becomes 1. When RCO becomes 1, so the output of RCO is connected to load through a NOT gate, So when the load output is, load input is 0, what happens, that loading action you can observe, that is whatever data is there on ABCD, that is loaded into the counter. What is the data now on ABCD? That is 5. Okay, that is 0 1 0 1, that is loaded into the counter. So after 15 the next state is 5. Whenever the output is state 5, automatically the RCO becomes 0. Okay, RCO becomes 0 means NOT gate output is 1, that 1 is applied as the input to the load. So now clear is 1, load is 1, ENP is 1, ENT also 1. So since all the these 4 inputs are at 1, you can observe the counting sequence. Okay, that is counting starts from 5, 6, next to 7, like that up to 15. When the output is 15, what happens? The RCO becomes 1. Since RCO is 1 means at the load we have the 0 value. Okay, so that it loads the input value, that is 5. So like that you can observe the sequence 5 to 15. Okay, so like that you can design different mod counters using this IC 74163. Okay.